I start my hydroponic grow towers with a 16mm piece of rebar that's 80 inches long. I paint it to prevent rust. Then I put it in a hole 18 inches deep. This is very simple. My costs are so small. I then take a 24-inch long piece of 2-inch PVC. I then add one of these on top. Goes right here. This supports the stackable trays. These cost me just under $1 each. Very affordable. I did some modifications. I add some extra holes around the center so the water drips down through to each one. And then you simply put them on here like that. I stack them 7 high, and that way I don't have to stoop down to harvest or plant. I don't have to reach over my head to add any water or make any changes. So simple. My total cost for 7 stackable trays, cement, rebar, paint, everything is around $8. You can buy one of these from a company in the USA and they'll charge you a couple $100. Don't be a sucker. You can get it yourself. I buy most everything from Lazada. I add a $1 cost mosquito net, which prevents having to use any kind of pesticides. Plant the seeds, and within a few days you're growing. Some of the fastest things are lettuce and bok choy, pet chai, things, any type of leafy green. When you add this at the bottom, it makes it so you can turn it. So if you have sunshine, no sunshine later in the afternoon, you just rotate this. It's so simple. I have 25 of these towers, and I can come out here any day and pick any type of fresh leafy green, bean, any type of radish. This is so simple, folks. Don't need to go to the grocery store. I also have a 100% water only. I use a submersible pump in a 11-gallon bucket, and I put this pipe in there and perforate the tubing, hook up the pump, and there you go. An aeroponic system. The pump adds a cost about $10, $11 for the pump. Again, very simple, ideal for somebody who has a very small yard or a condo or apartment. Very simple, low-cost solutions for growing your own vegetables.